Okay, here we go. Bourrée, first position A string, tenor clef. Careful attention to the bowings and the shifts. Here's the first phrase. Try it with me. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, shift. Here's the shift. Put 2 where 4 lives and then on. Forwards to 4th position. Crucially, when you shift, as I always say, your arm takes your hand to the new position. Here's the phrase again. 1, 2. And if you do the bowings correctly, you will have a down bow, a pulling bow. Square end of the bow goes first at the beginning of every bar. Here we go. 1, 2. And then down bow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Another up bow. Up, up. Up, up. Just try that second phrase. This is the upbeat into bar 9. The little semiquavers. 1, 2, 3. Up, up. Now note, I hope you can see my bow. I can't check from both sides, but the staccatos, I actually stop and restart the bow on the string. Stop it dead. Don't let it keep rolling on between the notes. Have a listen. Stop, stop. Stop, stop, stop. So you get the really icky, blippy staccato. Let's go from the beginning. 1, 2. So far, you can replay that chunk. Now the pizzicato, this is quieter. We're going to use our thumb and our first finger. So going from pizzicato, from arco to pizzicato bow hold. What we do is tip the bow up. These middle fingers here curl the bow into the hand and you wrap your thumb around. I'll show you that in slow motion. Tip the bow up or you drop it. Curl the bow into your hand. And there you've got your bow hold. And these are free to do your pizzicatos. And here we are. Thumb, finger, thumb, finger. So strum it like a guitar and then pluck like a cellist. Thumb. So we do one movement and then come back the other way. Another movement, just like we would up bows and down bows. So up, like that. You can do it on open strings. If you go straight across, you'll get caught. Also, if you have your thumb too straight, you'll get caught under the strings. Do it slightly on the back of the thumb, so it's kind of stroking the strings. You'll get a better pizzicato. From that bit, this is bar 15. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go back to bow hold. And 1, 2. Stop the bow. Stop the bow. Down bow. Another up. Again and look at the bowings. So we have up, down, stop and start, another down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. They really do make a difference because one bow is heavier, the other bow is lighter. And if you do the correct bowings, you get both versions in their correct places. The next bit with the chord, always start the chord from the bottom of the chord. So with a down bow, and that's how we'll do it. It will always be on a down bow if you start with the correct up bow for the upbeat. Here we go. This is the last note of bar 28. 1, 2. Now here's the thing. Have your second finger down before you start playing the chord. So straight away, your A string, the action of your left hand is going from 1 to a 2, but your bow doesn't go to 2 straight away. It visits the other strings first. So on the string, and then it's already there. If it's not there, this is what happens. It gets lumpy. So get it down straight away, and the bow visits elsewhere before coming back to the A string. 1, 2, 3. Put the second down again here. Bottom of the chord. Bottom of the chord. Always down but up. Note should be a really big oomph on the up bow. Now this middle section, fourth finger in fourth position, will give you the note. There's your G, find it. Now your whole arm, your arm is going to move the whole hand up by about 1 centimetre. So what the note that was being played by fourth finger is now being sat on by third finger. So literally, you're not pushing the fingers up. There's the difference. Look how I've changed the hand shape. That won't help your tuning. There's a good cello hand shape. We play in fourth position. We move up and we play a third finger instead. And then all these fingers have also moved up. That is one of the main positions in this new chunk. And it starts like this. All of that's in one position. Again. So take your hand off, find fourth position, switch to a 3. Your arm pushes that third finger forwards. Off, fourth position, switch. There's your first note. 1, 2. You see the staccato notes, do you hear them? I'm stopping my bow on the string. Actually stop it moving. I bump it, stopped. So it sounds like this. 1, 2. Now this next position is an E flat. You know where E is? That's that first finger in fourth position. And you're going to a semitone behind it with your second finger. There's your E flat. This bit with me and stop on an E flat. So you're going to remember, when you shift, your arm takes the hand in its fixed hand shape to the new position. Try it with me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Shift back. Just sit on that note until you match me. So it's not a very big shift. It's literally going behind where we've just been playing and find your E flat. Try from the top of the page. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So once you've got that note, this is the next bit. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 notes in that position. All in one position, that bit. So try from the beginning of the line. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Shift. There's your E flat when you've got it. Do that chunk without stopping for the E flat. Good luck. 1, 2. Here we go. The arm moves the hand. Go back to where you just were. It's the same shift, E flat, first position. So there's a shift there. Note how I do this. Do you see my arm lifting up? Because my arm is saying, come with me, come with me. The arm is pulling the hand back to first position there. So from the E flat, last bar of the first line of that page, remember the B flat, point to it. Don't move back to it because that disrupts the tuning of all of the rest of the hand, which we absolutely don't want. You can point back because your first finger is strong. It doesn't need the rest of the weight of the hand to reach that note. You know that, I've said that many times. Try the top line again. So find your note, hand off the cello, fourth position, move up to put 3 on that note instead. I'm going to do it in time this time, so stay with me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, shift. Go back up. Back to E flat, first position. Back to E flat is the next bit. There you are. You keep returning to this second finger on the E flat. I'm going to go from the last bar of the first line on the E flat. It's E flat, D, first position. Remember the arm says, come with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now go back. It's the same note. And then you play 1, 2, fourth position. You're allowed fourth position for 2 notes. Try from the last bar of the first line again. It's that bit. Ready? There's your first note. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. E flat. Shift fourth position. Go back to E flat. Stay there. First position. Go back to E flat. Fourth position. Back to E flat. Back to first position. B flat pointed at. That's a bit of a jump around that line. So we're going to do the second line again. Play your first note to the second line and your shift will be where your arm takes your hand. So you learn that shift better because you're maintaining the hand shape. Try the second line, bar 52. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, E flat. Shift, back to E flat. E flat, first position. E flat. Shift forwards, back to E flat. First position. And then pizzicato with a good pizzicato bow hold. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, A flat. Half position. Again, your thumb, you do stroke the strings with the back of your thumb as you go, and then you don't get hooked underneath. Try that whole middle section again. Hand off the cello, fourth position, move up by 1 centimetre, gives you, I'll call it 4th and a half position. It's a semitone higher than 4th position, high 4th position. There we go. There's your first note. Coming in on the 3rd beat. 1, 2, 3. Back to E flat. Go back where you just were. Back to E flat. First position. Back to E flat. 4th position. E flat. First position. E flat. 4th position. First position. So you're either here, here, or there, or there. Those are your positions. There's your high 4th position. Okay, good luck with that. And then we do the first section again with a few differences. So here we go. Remember the bowing, the staccato, stop the bow on the string. Up bow, pushing bow, crucial. 1, 2, 3, 1. Shift, up bow. Up, up, down. Down bow, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's hold, thumb and finger, finger, thumb, finger, finger. 1, 2, 3, 1. Up bow, stop the bow, staccato. Stop, start. Up bow, down. Second finger should be on the string when you start your chord. Here we go, on the string. Lots of bow. See my arm moving. Slowing down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And give it a good oomph. Okay?